When I was first considering buying the Tabuk flash hider, there really weren't any videos showing how it performed, so let's change that, starting off with the big question: does the Tabuk flash hider hide the flash? There's not much in the way of flash. In fact, it does way better than the gas port on my FAL during broad daylight. This particular flash hider is most often found on Tabuk sniper rifles, but Poland has a very similar one that they put on their night vision equipped rifles, and many PKMs have a similar flash hider as well. Now, the reason I bought this flash hider was because with my 14.3 inch barrel, I needed something to pin and weld to get it to 16 inches overall. I won't lie, I thought the Tabuk flash hider looked really cool, but since this was going to be a permanent feature on my AK, I wanted something that was more than just a barrel extension. I wanted some type of performance gain, so I was really hoping that it would perform as well as it did at reducing flash. Showcasing the muzzle blast, here's some cardboard I shot next to. Ooh, ah. And here's what you can expect shooting prone, depending on what type of soil and ground cover you have. Also, I did unintentionally shoot this AK without hearing protection, and it really wasn't that bad. However, I do not recommend you try that out for yourself. If you're considering using this flash hider to pin and weld on a 14.3 inch barrel, here's a length comparison with the standard AKM and slant brake. For what this flash hider is, I'm very happy with it. When I built this rifle, I wanted to try some off-the-wall things like the sniper style flash hider on the shorter barrel. I also chopped off the original front sight and welded it to the gas block, modified the safety, and a few other things. It's not a pretty rifle, but it functions flawlessly, and that's really all that matters. If you made it this far, you're a real trooper. I know this wasn't my most interesting video, but I really wanted to make it for anyone who's doing research and considering buying the Tabuk flash hider. I bought it over on AK Builder, and it is US made if you're looking for a 922R part. Consider hitting the like button on your way out, and have a great rest of your day.